For a nursing student, understanding the human heart is crucial. The heart is a vital organ that keeps us alive by pumping blood throughout our bodies. As a nursing student, knowing how the heart works helps us provide better care for our patients. It allows us to understand symptoms and manage treatments more effectively. The heart is not just a muscle. It is a powerful pump that works tirelessly. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to every part of our body. Without a healthy heart, our organs and tissues would not function properly. That's why learning about the heart is one of the first steps in medical education. In this essay, I will take you through the anatomy and physiology of the human heart. We will explore its external and internal structures and understand how it works. By the end, you will see why the heart is often called the engine of life. Let's start by looking at where the heart is located and what it looks like from the outside. The heart is located in the chest, slightly to the left side. It sits behind the breastbone or sternum and between the lungs. This location is known as the mediastinum. The heart is about the size of a clenched fist. It weighs between 250 to 350 grams, depending on the person. The heart is surrounded by a protective sac called the pericardium. The pericardium has two layers, the fibrous pericardium and the serous pericardium. The fibrous pericardium is the outer layer, providing protection and anchoring the heart in place. The serous pericardium, which has two layers itself, produces a fluid that reduces friction as the heart beats. The heart has four main chambers: two atria, upper chambers, and two ventricles, lower chambers. The atria receive blood coming into the heart, while the ventricles pump blood out of the heart. Attached to the heart are major blood vessels like the aorta, pulmonary arteries, and veins. These vessels carry blood to and from the rest of the body. Understanding the external anatomy of the heart helps us appreciate how it is positioned and protected in our bodies. Next, let's delve into the heart's internal structures. Inside the heart, there are four chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. These chambers are separated by walls called septa. The interatrial septum divides the atria, and the interventricular septum divides the ventricles. Each chamber has a specific role in the circulation of blood. Blood flows from the body into the right atrium, then to the right ventricle. From there, it is pumped to the lungs to receive oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium, moves into the left ventricle, and is then pumped out to the body. Valves are crucial in the heart's function. There are four main valves: the tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. These valves ensure blood flows in one direction and prevent backflow. The tricuspid valve is between the right atrium and right ventricle, while the pulmonary valve is between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. On the left side, the mitral valve is between the left atrium and left ventricle, and the aortic valve is between the left ventricle and the aorta. Understanding the internal anatomy of the heart helps us see how blood circulates within this vital organ. Now let's explore how the heart functions and maintains circulation. Section 4. Physiology and function. The heart works through rhythmic contractions known as the cardiac cycle. The cycle has two main phases: systole and diastole. During systole, the ventricles contract and pump blood out of the heart. During diastole, the ventricles relax and fill with blood from the atria. The heart's electrical conduction system controls these contractions. It includes the sinoatrial, or SA node, atrioventricular, or AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. The SA node, located in the right atrium, acts as the heart's natural pacemaker. It generates electrical impulses that spread across the atria, causing them to contract. These impulses then reach the AV node, which delays the signal before it moves to the ventricles. This delay ensures the atria contract fully before the ventricles do. The heart's ability to pump blood efficiently ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach all parts of the body. It also helps remove waste products from the tissues. The cardiovascular system, which includes the heart and blood vessels, is essential for maintaining homeostasis. Understanding the physiology of the heart helps us appreciate how it sustains life. Finally, let's summarize the importance of the heart in healthcare. Section 5. Conclusion. The heart is a remarkable organ that plays a vital role in human physiology. Its structure and function are complex but essential for life. For nursing students and healthcare professionals, understanding the heart is fundamental. It allows us to provide better care and respond effectively to cardiac conditions. By studying the heart's external and internal anatomy, we learn how blood flows through this vital organ. Understanding its physiology helps us appreciate the importance of its rhythmic contractions and electrical conduction system. This knowledge is crucial for diagnosing and managing heart-related illnesses. In conclusion, the heart is more than just a muscle, it is the engine that keeps us alive. For those in the healthcare field, understanding its complexities is essential for providing the best possible care to our patients.